What's up, guys? It's me, LTD Gamer here, and I'm here for something new. I'm here for, if you guys don't know what this is, HearthStone, where I'm going to be opening 60 of the new cases, not fucking CSGO, packs. I'm going to be opening the grand tournaments. I don't have a clue what these new cards are, so I'm going to be reading most of them. But yeah, let's just try and get as many legendaries as we can, hopefully all golden, because I want them. And let's just go.
Bring it on.
I got two of my friends in the call with me as well.
One's a wanker.
And already I've got just a single rare. Fucking amazing.
I wasn't gonna call you. You get a rare in every pack, you know, you twats.
Alright.
Like,
again, just a single rare. Fucking amazing.
you get a single one every single pack.
No, but it's like it's the only thing. Like I only have a rare. I don't have any other like epic or anything, or another rare. Oh, there you go. Got epic. Deal 8 damage to a minion. Not bad. That's not it though.
Ah, shit.
What's the epic? Twilight Guardian. That's a dragon. Battle cry. If you're holding a dragon, gain +1 attack and taunt.
Alright, crap.
Yeah,
What's the thingy?
4 mana.
Health?
Oh, the attack. I can't remember now. I think it was 4 and something. I don't remember. It was it was really shit though. Again, got 1 rare and that was it. I'm hoping for these legendaries. 5 packs in. This is 5th pack. Hoping for a legendary now. Can two rares.
20th pack confirmed.
Oh my god, it's this guy again. The one where you get 50% chance of attacking the wrong enemy. Oh, I fucking hate those cards.
Is it a no-go?
I think it was I think so. Yeah, I think it was no-go.
Ogres are literally all like that.
So fucking. I hate those cards. Oh, there's a mech. I need a new mech. I want to make a mech deck. Can't see what I did there. I really just want a legendary. I haven't played this game in months. Ooh, a golden rare.
You're gonna get one.
Inspire. I heard Inspire is when you use your hero power. So like whenever you use your hero power, give your totems +2 attack.
Oh, that's
not bad. Not
so
bad.
It's a shaman.
Yeah, it's for shaman.
You don't even play shaman.
And it's got I can. But shaman's not really a thing that you can use for attack. Well, I guess you can. I got epic. When you draw this, deal 1 damage to your minions. And that's for warrior, so that's a bit weird.
Shaman's more of a burst deck because if you wait too long, then you get overloaded to shit.
Yeah, that's true. So it's more of like a rush. Alright,
what we're gonna do?
We're just getting crap. 10th pack. 10th pack. Let's hope we get a legendary in this one.
Nope.
Nope. Just getting just fucking. I just got a person riding a frog, and apparently it's a murloc.
Sick one.
It looks like a frog though.
Are you sure not the frog is a murloc?
No, it was a frog.
You're a frog.
I have seen murlocs.
Sure.
And again, we just got a rare. This is bad.
I'm killing murlocs right now.
Nice.
I'm not anymore. I'm in the auction house.
Just give me a freaking legendary. Freaking hell! How hard is it to give me a legendary? I've got 60 packs.
Pretty hard, apparently.
Oh my god! I got 2 rares.
Like your mum and dad.
We'll get. Oh wow. You had to say that, didn't you? Yeah. It's so disrespectful. Alright, 14. Alright, we've got a rare and a legendary. I mean, not legendary, sorry, an epic. Arcane Blast, deal 2 damage to a minion. This spell gives double bonus from spell damage. Alright.
Fuck you.
And again, we just got 1 rare.
You're bad at the game.
I'm not bad at the game, I'm just bad pack luck.
But you couldn't fucking CSGO, but then you lose it all.
Oh, legendary!
What do you get?
Wow, I got 2 of the same card. Wow, really? Alright, so the rare, we got some shit. Legendary! Golden legendary! No, just fucking regular legendary. I had the right, Nexus Champion Sarad.
What's it cost?
Inspire. It's 5 mana, 4/5. For inspire, add a random spell to your hand.
That's pretty good if you just keep it on your deck and just spam your spells. What is it? Class only?
It's at all classes.
Oh, pretty cool.
Oh, I got a golden common. Restore 5 health. I got epic in there, but it wasn't really that good, so there's no point in me talking about it.
Oh, you have a helmet I want. What is it?
Oh, there's the frog again. I got 2 of them this time. And there's the ogre again. Fucking dick.
No, I have a massive one.
Let's get another legendary 3 packs in. No, okay. Oh, give me 2 of the same card again. Summon 3 1/1 web spiders. I think that's pretty.
Is that that ball of spiders or something?
Yeah, but that's pretty bad. 6 mana to summon 3 1/1s.
Yeah, but they give you a beast each. The other death rattle will give you a random beast.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. I guess so. I got an epic and a rare.
So you could get like a legendary from those.
Yeah, you could. Yeah. Elemental destruction. A shaman, 3 mana, deal 4 to 5 damage to all minions. Overload 5.
Overload 5. Fucking hell.
Yeah, I know. You need to have like a good board to be able to do that.
But
it's to all minions.
How much mana?
5.
How much mana? Oh, so it just kills all your mana.
Yeah, basically. So unless you have 10 mana, and then you're pretty screwed. It's kind of like an end game thing then. Alright, now we're just getting jack shit. We're coming up to halfway soon. And we've gotten one legendary and it wasn't even gold.
Should get 3.
Yeah, should get 3. That's what I'm saying. I'm kind of glad I'm getting all these new cards because I don't really know any of the new cards. So I can just look at them out of recording. Like,
what should I do?
We're on our 25th pack. 25th pack. But getting jack shit.
No one loves you.
But jack shit again.
When's my raid unlock? Next Wednesday.
Again, we got nothing. Oh, I got golden common. Pit fighter. 5 mana for a 5/6. Oh, okay. Pretty cool actually. 5 mana for 5/6. Just a random 5 mana card. Doesn't have anything. It's not charged or anything. It's just a regular card. Alright, we're coming up to 33rd. This is our 27th pack. Oh, I got an epic and a rare in it.
Alright, I need to get some warrior transmog.
Alright, we're gonna try this one. I'm gonna open it, not look at them, just open, like, click on all the cards.
You're gonna get shit.
And I've got 2 rares and that was it. Fuck's sake. There's a guy freaking riding a turtle. Alright, we're coming to the 30th pack. We're halfway done already, and you give me a rare. Oh, another mech. Are mechs still good in this game? I don't think they are.
If you have a mech only deck, then
yeah,
like based around the mech, like you can have like stuff that powers up mechs to shit.
Alright, come on, give me legendary. I want the legendary plus.
I like the way Laura's just like, what am I doing?
Yeah, I know. I need legendaries
I'm
first.
just listening.
I need legendaries. No, I don't want 2 rares. I just want a legendary. Give me 4 legendaries and all of them be gold. Or not, Jesus Christ.
No, pretty well.
Oh my god, this is annoying.
Shut up, you skank. What?
And again, I only got a freaking rare. We're past halfway now, and I've gotten 1 legendary.
You said that nobody loved him.
I got an epic. Oh, this is pretty cool. Recruiter, 5 mana for a 5/4 for any class, and inspire. Add a 2/2 squire to your hand.
Now, Laura, calm down.
What the fuck is wrong with you, Laura? Seriously.
She's going ham.
It's going ham down.
No, let me.
Oh, I got a golden rare. Oh, I got 2 golden rares.
Loud the beef fam.
I got 2 golden rares. But the goal.
Says nobody loved him.
Oh, legendary! Oh, it's a dragon!
We all love you.
It's a dragon! I got a legendary. Chillmore.
Yeah.
Torn, Death Rattle. If you're holding a dragon, deal 3 damage to all minions. 6/6 for 7 mana. That is pretty cool. And I like dragons, so.
Trains.
If you didn't know, I was actually born on the year of the dragon.
I like trains.
So yeah.
I was like on the year of the rat.
The year of the rat. I was born on the year of the dragon, so I had some.
Wait,
Well, at least that suits you, Laura.
2001.
Yeah, but I was born on the year of the dragon, so the dragon.
Snake. There we go.
Well,
You're a sliver,
fucking
mate. Give me a golden one. No, okay. I just got another freaking. I'm just basically trying to fly through these now. Like I've got nothing. I got one rare again. Fucking hell.
Now nobody loves you. No one.
But showed us.
Cheers. See, look, you're telling me that I say it too much, but you're the one who's bringing it up all the time. Oh, another legendary.
You all know that, Michelle? Michelle?
Okay. Give me a golden one. Oh, okay, I got Edis Darkbane. Whenever you target this minion with a spell, deal 3 damage to a random enemy. Why would you want to?
There's nobody.
So wait, if you put that
No,
with if you put out like with a priest or something, and then just keep making targeting it with spells to make its health higher, it will keep dealing 3 damage to.
What is it?
Basically, it's a legendary. Whenever you target this minion with a spell, deal 3 damage to a random enemy. So if you keep like buffing its health by using spells on it, it'll keep dealing 3 damage to an enemy whilst also buffing its health. If you use it with priest.
No, but if they attack him, like, what's read it again? When it takes damage, it'll deal.
No. When it gets targeted when I target with a spell, so its owner targets it with a spell.
It doesn't have to be the owner though, does it?
No, it does. It says when you target it with a spell.
Yeah, it can be anyone. That means.
Oh, okay, fine. Then. So that means whenever someone targets him with a spell, it deals 3 damage to a random enemy.
Yeah. So what's the attack and health of it?
4. I think it was 4, 5. No. It was 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Yeah.
So it can threaten someone.
Ooh, I got an epic confuse for a priest. 2 mana for a swap the health and the attack and health with all minions. So imagine you had your 0, 4, 12, and it turned into a 12, 4. That's mental. Alright, I got one epic.
I'm about to say use it on Deathwing, but Deathwing's a 12/12.
Yeah, so it doesn't really matter. Deathwing's a beast no matter what, so it doesn't matter.
Never get Deathwing, do you know?
I can't. I'm opening the new pack, so I can't get Deathwing. I have to open the old ones.
Why is somebody taking fucking selfies in the auction house?
Oh, I got another golden. I mean, another thingy. Legendary. 3rd legendary golden. Golden. Fuck's sake. I got Wilfred Fizzlebang. A warlock, 6 mana for a 4/4. Cards you draw from your hero power cost 0.
Pretty sick.
That is sick. I don't use warlock that much though, but it is sick. That is pretty sick. Give me another legendary. I got 3 legendaries, and by what you said, Jack, you get 1 every 20, right? I got 10 left, and I got 3 legendaries.
So you're on the right track.
So maybe I can get another one.
Oh, you don't say I just bought the wrong fucking thing.
What did you buy?
I'm trying to buy a transmog set, and I think I just bought the wrong fucking gauntlet for 180
what
gold.
epic did I get? Shadow Fiend. Whenever you draw a card, reduce its cost by 1.
I
So
did.
3 mana for a 3/3 priest. Not bad. That's
I
not
just
bad.
wasted 180 gold.
Alright, come on, legendary. Legendary. There's gonna be a legendary in this pack. There's a legendary in this pack. Nope, there's not. Okay.
You're not loved by legendaries.
Alright, watch, there's
You're not
legendary.
loved.
Watch, there's gonna be a golden legendary in this pack. Golden
You're
legendary,
not
you ready?
loved by legendaries.
Fuck. Oh, I got a golden common. Oh, I got
Nobody loves you.
freaking Void
They
Crusher.
don't.
I got Void Walker's brother. Void Crusher. Oh, I got an epic. We're getting up there. Next is legendary. Come on, next is legendary. Come on. Oh, I want those legendaries now. I'm just looking for those legendaries. Alright, two rares and 1. Oh, golden epic. Astral Commune. I can't say that. Gain 10 mana crystals and discard your hand. Oh shit. For 4 mana, it's a druid card. You gain 10 mana crystals, but you have to discard your whole hand. That is meant. But what happens if you've got, let's say, I don't think I know about that card. It could be good in some ways, but bad in most ways.
You would have that, but you'd need a lot of draw cards, like,
yeah,
to take out after.
Yeah, I don't know.
So you can spam draw.
Yeah, like Death Rattle, like...
Have a load of, like, gnomish engineers just, like...
Yeah, yeah. Well, I don't know about that. I don't know. Ooh, I got a rogue poisoned blade for 4 mana as a 1/3. Your hero power gives this weapon +1 attack instead of replacing it.
They don't.
Oh, so instead of replace, okay, last pack. We want that golden legendary.
Cunt.
All right. Nope. I just got a fucking rare. Well, that was it. 60 packs, all done. Let's go to my collection and see what I've done.
Hey man.
Alright.
Oh, reactive.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? It's me, LTD.
What's up, guys? My name is LTD.
What's up, guys? It's me, LTD. Oh my god. What's up, guys? It's me, LTD Gamer here. And if you guys don't know what this is HearthStone. And I'm going to be opening 60 of the new cases of the Grand Tournaments. There you go. I remembered now. And oh shit.
I think you should restart.
Yeah, I did. I accidentally quit the game as well, so it didn't really work.
Penis!
Alright, so I guess I'm going to end the video here with Jack saying penis. Make sure if you like the video to hit the like button, and if you're new around
subscribe
here...
to Jack!
Yeah, I'm better than him.
Yeah, he totally is, yeah.
And Liam!
Basically, shut up. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave the episode here. I might do another pack opening. If you want me to, tell me in the comment section down below. And make sure to like the video if you liked it. And if you're new around here, to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.
Bye!
Up the arse, right up there.